Anything is possible. It started with a dream. Our passion made a difference and built a family. We've grown strong together.
Hello, you're with Libby from LibbyStamps.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia, and today I thought I'd show you how to use your stamp and write markers on your rubber stamps. So this is really helpful if you want to do different colours on your stamps or you don't have a lot of inks. So in this image I've done the stockings in different colours, and that's what we're going to do today. So I've already stamped the inside of the card and the envelope, and in another video I'll show you how I did the ribbon. Alright, so I'm using the image from Holly Jolly Christmas, which is in the holiday catalogue. So it's got some lovely images in it, and we're going to use the stocking image today. And so what you do is you load up your stamp as normal. Right, this is the card front we're going to use, and I'm using Night Before Christmas Designer Series paper. It's 6 by 6 inches or 15.2 by 15.2 centimetres. So I've already done the card in thick very vanilla. I've used some of the Night Before Christmas DSP, and I've stamped the inside of the card and the envelope ready for the image. Alright, so I've got a piece of cardstock here and my image is already loaded. And when I colour, I like to look at the image on the stamp case, just so I know roughly what I'm doing. Alright, so these stockings I've decided are going to be all red, just so we can do the video more quickly. So, and we'll just do the insides of them different. So you just ink up your stamp with your Stampin' Write marker. Use the side of the brush tip. Now you want to do that so that you don't ruin the tip for when you want to do some colouring, and it also helps you just to go around that edge and just get that edge of rubber done. So you just continue doing that until you've got all the bits done that you want to do. So I'm using the Cherry Cobbler Stampin' Write marker at the moment. Alright, so I think that's about all the Cherry Cobbler I want to use. Now I'm going to come in with some basic black, and I'm just going to do the toes and the heels of each stocking. So this one will be a little bit different to the last card. So just doing the toes and the heels. And then on this one I'm going to do the entire buckle. So you can see by using your Stampin' Write markers you get more colour options than if you're just using your ink. I'll come in with some Old Olive this time. Alright, I'm going to colour that tree. So again, just using the side of my brush tip for my Stampin' Write marker, and then I'm going to colour these stripes on this stocking. Now as you colour, the colour dries out. Doesn't matter how quickly you colour, the colour will still dry out. So what you want to do is huff on it really well to put all that moisture back into the ink. So here we go. So I've huffed on that well, and then I'm going to stamp down and push down just like you would on your normal stamp. And then we have our different coloured stockings. So it's a little hard to see, I think, in the video, but you'll be able to see that on the finished cards. Now, all these products are available in my online store, and I'd love you to shop with me. Go to libbystamps.com and click on the shop button. I've used stitched rectangles on this card. I'll do the same on this card. We've used Night Before Christmas Designer Series paper and the Holly Jolly Christmas stamp set. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye for now.
You can bet it doesn't matter where you go. You find a friend who does just what they love and lets it show.